Hi guys and welcome to CocoSign. In this video I'm going to show you how to use bulk send. There are situations where you need to send the same document to a large group at once. In this video I'm going to show you how to send documents to multiple recipients simultaneously with CocoSign. First of all, sign into your account and then in the documents section of the dashboard select bulk send. Then click the bulk send button to start the process. Now you will need to upload your documents. You can drag and drop or choose from your device or import from Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. You can also enter the document's URL. Once you added the document, click on Next. Now you will need to create a CSV or Excel file to upload your recipient's name and email addresses. You can click on CSV or XLSX to download a sample file. The file will be saved in your browser's default downloads folder unless you specify otherwise. In the document, you will need to delete the data in the rows 2 to 3 and enter your recipient's information. Both the name and email address are required and need to be provided. When you're done, make sure to save the file. Click Upload to upload your saved file. The recipient's information will be displayed on the page that appears where you can verify the recipient's details. You may also add additional recipients by clicking Add a row. The Clear All and Re-import option allows you to discard the current list of signers and re-import recipients. If you wish to make changes to a recipient's name or email address, locate the recipient and click the icons right next to their information. And if you need to remove a recipient, click X to the right. When all details have been verified, hit save and continue. Proceed to add sign-in fields for your recipients with the control panel on the right. You can click the fields you added to the document to adjust their sizes and position. You will need to add a minimum of one field for the signers, as all signers are assigned the same sign-in fields. You can either sign the document first within the bulk send before sending it out for signature, or send a bulk send without pre-filling data. When satisfied, click on Next. On the page that appears, you can preview your document, enter a document name, leave a note for your recipients, and you can even set a deadline for signing the document, send a reminder to your recipients, or customize your sign-in invite. Once you're finished, click on Send. Now I'm going to show you how to track the status of documents sent in bulk. Select Bulk Send from the drop-down menu of documents on the home page. Locate the document you would like to track from the list of documents displayed, and you can see the status of the bulk sending job. To view details, click the document. The resulting screen displays the signing status for each recipient on the bulk list. You can hover over the recipients to track them at every stage of the sign-in process. You can identify exactly when each document is received, viewed, and signed. Once a recipient has signed the copy, both you and the signer will receive a copy of the signed PDF. The recipients will not receive a copy of other recipients' signed documents. This is how you can bulk send or send documents to multiple recipients simultaneously with CocoSign. Visit CocoSign now to start a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. This being said, I hope you'll have a nice day.